Hello,
Hi.
how are you?
I'm good, thanks, and you?
I'm tired.
You look tired.
I went to an
Shame.
event and I was ambushed because I got a call while I was.
So did you just get back?
Yeah, that's why I'm still wearing.
Sure.
And I brought you a goodie bag.
A goodie bag?
An
What's
entire goodie
inside?
bag. Why do you want me to
Wow.
unbox it for you? You should do it yourself.
Okay.
Or should I
Okay.
do it for you?
No, I want to do it. I want to do it myself. Please.
It's a very nice, very expensive cologne. It's not a cologne.
Oh,
Very expensive fragrance. Skins Cosmetics.
you
Skins
live
Cosmetics.
in law.